The classwork children, today you have to complete page number 64 checkpoint. Okay, all the textual work also you have to complete today. The dash is the largest part of the brain. We all know brain has three main parts. That is, look at here, cerebrum, cerebellum. This area is cerebellum. This is medulla oblongata. The whole is cerebrum. What is the largest part, Nana? Dash is the largest part of the brain. The largest part of the brain is cerebrum. So write the cerebrum here. Cerebrum. Cerebrum. Next one. Dash and dash are automatic reactions. What are automatic reactions, Nana? What are automatic reactions? Reflex actions are automatic reactions or not? Okay, they will do spontaneously. Okay, so all reflex actions and involuntary, which are not under our control. Okay, all these are reflex actions and involuntary actions are automatic reactions. Reflex spelling REFLEX. Reflex. And one more, involuntary. Reflex and involuntary. Between the two words, right? And reflex and involuntary are automatic reactions. Okay, in these two cases, messages are sent to the spinal cord. Decision will be taken by the spinal cord only. They are quick actions. Okay, reflex actions, automatic actions. Okay, next one. See page number 65. Axons are the small branches that arise from the cell body. We all know cell body will be like this. Yes or no? Small branches which are arising from the cell body are called axons, they are saying. And a long line, now a long branch is extending from the cell body. No, here it is the long branch extending from the cell body. We all know this is called axon. The small branches which are arising from the cell body are called dendrites. But here they are saying axons are the small branches that arise from the cell body. They are saying this is axon. Is it a small branch? Is it a small branch? No. So this is the wrong statement. Okay. Next one. The size of the pupil is controlled by the muscles of the iris. Okay. The size of the pupil is controlled by the muscles of the iris. What is a pupil, Nana? Okay, colored ring will be in the center of the eye. See, look at this. Here we have eye. Most of them it is in white color, that is called sclera. In the center of the eye we used to have a colored part, that is called iris. In the center of the iris we have a small opening, that is called pupil. This opening will be controlled by the muscles of the iris. Yes or no? Yes, depending upon the light, this pupil size will be enlarged or contracted, Nana. So the size of the pupil is controlled by the muscles of the iris, they are saying. That is correct. So where is the small opening, Nana? The small opening which is in the eye is called pupil. It is in the iris. So iris, the muscles of the iris controls the pupil size. That is correct. See page number 66, checkpoint of name the organs where the following nerves are present. Where the following nerves are present. Look at here. This is the optic nerve. Where are the optic nerve, Nana? We discussed about eyes, nose, ears and everything. No? Where did you hear the word optic nerve? Optic nerves are present in eyes. So you can write eye. Optic nerves are present in eye. Olfactory nerves. Olfactory nerves are present in nose. Next, auditory nerve. Auditory nerve. Auditory nerve present in the ear. We all know when we discussed about ear, we discussed about the auditory nerve. Inner ear is connected with auditory nerve. Olfactory nerves are nerve endings which are present in the nose. Optic nerve is connected to the brain which is present in the eye. Okay, optic nerve related to eye. olfactory nerve related to the nose, auditory nerve related to the ear. Now see the exercises now. Tick the correct option. The two senses that are linked together are, which two senses are linked together, Nana? Smell and taste, taste and sight, taste and sight, sight and hearing, sight and hearing, smell and sight they are saying. Which two are interlinked? We all discussed when I am explaining nose. I explained you about the smell of smell and taste are linked together. Okay, so this is the correct one. The nervous system consists of the, very easy. What are the parts of the nervous system? Here nerves only, axons only, brain and spinal cord only, brain, spinal cord and nerves. So the correct option is brain, spinal cord and nerves. These three are the parts of the nervous system. These three are the organs of the nervous system. The next one, the control center of the body is the, what is the control center of the total control center of the body, Rana? Spinal cord, dendrites, brain, sense organ. Who controls all the activities of the body, Rana? Brain. It is like a CPU of a computer. Okay, all the instructions are given by the brain, Rana. Okay, what are the activities we are doing? No, they are under the control of brain. So brain is the control center of the body. Next one, optic nerves are present in the dash. Just now I explained you. Where are the optic nerves present? Optic nerves are present in the eyes. Here they are saying ears. Ears. What type of nerves present in the ears? Auditory nerves. What type of nerves present in the nose? Olfactory nerves. What type of nerves present in the skin and sweat glands? Okay. Next one, see. The heartbeat is controlled by the dash. Heartbeat is controlled by the. Okay, who is controlling the heartbeat? Here they are giving the parts of the brain. See, cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla oblongata, spinal cord. We all know cerebrum, all the sensory activities and think, read and memory related to the cerebrum. All sense organ activities and thinking, storing the memory, all this comes under the cerebrum. Cerebellum, what it is doing? It is coordinating the muscles and helps in maintaining the balance and it works under the control of cerebrum. Next one, medulla oblongata. Where is that? It is below the brain, like a bulb structure it is having, and it is also called brain stem. Why? Because it is in the shape of stem. Yes or no? Bulb structure it have and it is in the shape of stem. So brain stem we call it. So what it will do? It controls all involuntary actions. Actions which are not under our control are called involuntary actions. Heartbeat, breathing, digestion, all these are not under our control. So the heartbeat is controlled by the cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla oblongata, spinal cord. Who controls the heartbeat? Medulla oblongata. All involuntary actions are controlled by the medulla oblongata. The next one, a reflex action is a or an. What type of action is a reflex action? Is just now I completed explained you in checkpoint. Reflex action, quick response of a stimulus is called reflex action. Quick response to a stimulus is called reflex actions. All reflex actions is also called involuntary actions. What do we call it? Involuntary actions. Here they are giving involuntary action, voluntary action, slow action, both involuntary and voluntary. So the correct option is involuntary. Nerves that carry impulses from sense organs to the brain. We all know three types of cells: sensory nerves, motor nerves, mixed nerves. Okay, which nerves carry impulses? What is the meaning of impulses? Messages. Messages. What is the meaning of impulses? Messages. Nerves that carry impulses from sense organs to the brain. Who carry messages from sense organs to brain, Nana? Motor nerves, sensory nerves, mixed nerves, nerve endings. We all know motor nerves. What they will do? They carry messages from brain to parts of the body. Brain to the parts of the body. Mixed nerves, both activities they will do. Sensory nerves, these nerves carry messages from sense organs to brain. Okay, mixed nerves, they carry messages from brain to the parts of the body, and they also carry messages from sense organs to brain. So both activities they are doing, nerve endings. Okay, so which are carrying messages from sense organs to brain? Which type of nerves carrying messages from sense organs to brain? Sensory nerves. So this is the correct option. Try to complete this one also.